Transform your Instagram stories and reels with the magic of spoken word using Instagram's incredible text-to-speech feature. Let's dive right in. First, open up Instagram and tap on the Create Story icon, the plus sign at the top left of your feed. Once you're in the story editor, tap the text icon, usually found in the top menu. To start typing your message, type out whatever you want your viewers to hear, whether a witty caption, an important announcement, or a fun fact. After you've finished typing, simply tap on the text box you've created. You'll see a few options pop up above it. Look for the icon that resembles a speech bubble. That's your gateway to text-to-speech. Tap on it. And just like that, Instagram's AI will instantly generate a voiceover for your text. You can even try different voice options if they're available. Now, when someone views your story or reel, they'll hear your words spoken aloud, making your content more accessible and engaging than ever before. Tap share to post your story and watch your engagement soar with the power of voice. It's an easy way to add a professional touch and boost accessibility to your Instagram presence. Give it a try.